What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. Man, the other yard, my phone started fucking overheating because I didn't know it was like 91 degrees outside. We're gonna hit this other yard. We up here now and see what they got, because the other one didn't really have anything I wanted. So that's how it'll be some time out in the yard. What's up, YouTube? Back in my old stomping grounds. This is where Junkyard Diary started. They didn't clean up the yard a little bit. This is the yard where I got my I pulled the 6.0 with hard knocks, and I pulled my 5.3. So this yard been good to your boy. So hopefully it'll be good today. I haven't been here in a few months, really. Truck section looks bigger. I see a van over there. But yeah, man, the yard looks bigger for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, we're gonna check it out. There's a couple cars here I want to look at. The other yard was a bus. So hopefully this yard's a little better. It was 91 degrees. Thank God the clouds covering the sun right now. Feel a little breezy, almost feel good. But anyway, guys, it's your boy Loco. I'm gonna hit you back in a sec. Look what I found out the yard. R.I.P. '72 Chevy truck. Someone had a little fun with this one. Got the little aftermarket steering wheel. Got the inside tank. It's pretty similar to like my F100. Someone moved my tank in the bed. So this door panel is different than that one. So I don't know what's original. But I may need some parts from this tank to relocate mine the right way, because this little fuel gauge wire, I don't even think it's connected on my truck. And I was looking at some of the oh, never mind, I was looking at the cab corner, but they just put a piece of metal on top of rust. Yep, that sucks. I hate to see little trucks end up in the yard, man. Especially my old Chevy trucks. But you can tell this thing went through it. Anyway, we're in the truck section. Let me see what else I can find out here. Got something right here, really. Not what we want, though. Dang. As soon as I saw Denali, I know what that was. Chop frames everywhere. But like I said, if you can't beat them, join them. We're gonna be chopping frames too. Fuck it. That's Express. I probably had 6.0. I think I fucked. But anyway, let me see what else I can find out here. It was good, y'all. So I'm just walking around this motherfucker. I'm seeing hella chop frames everywhere. So I was like, man, they didn't took everything. So let's take a look. There's an 01 GMC Yukon. Got the 5.3 with the 862 heads. That's one. And you got a transmission just laying there. I believe that's a 4L60. So I kept walking. Got you another bourbon. .706, that's two. Got a Tahoe. 862, that's three. And this would be the one I would get. One has the front end damage. Two, it has the insurance. It says 5.3s. Got number 4. 706 heads. Number 5. A62. Got a 6 miss. So was that like 5? Yeah, this one ready. This 6. Get 706 heads. You got 7. 862. Eight. 862. So yeah, already we got 8 5.3s. Drive-by cable. Waiting to be plucked. And I even checked the other roads, but I believe that's where most of the trucks stop. So you got 8 6.2, sorry, you got 8 5.3s sitting. So I really gotta get Steve out here, because this is the spot, at least this week. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that thing just waiting to be plucked, man. But I don't have any space for any more right now, or really cars for it to go into. So, but if any of these were a 6, I wouldn't give a shit. I would have picked it. I would have plucked it out real quick. Because I just rather use the 6.0s than a 5.3, then later on wish that I had a 6.0 and not a 5.3. So this yard did good, man. I mean, the last yard was a bust. Everything was pretty much gone. And this is a yard I normally come to. I just come to every weekend, like twice a week, religiously. But yeah, if this was a half off weekend, shit, I definitely would have been taking at least 1, if not 2. I'll just throw them somewhere in the house, downstairs or something. But anyway, this is your boy Loco. I have a little surprise for you guys a little later. You'll see a video, vid coming soon. But as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.